Most people use credit cards without ever knowing how they actually work. That single gap costs them thousands of dollars. In this video, I'll explain credit cards in plain English, billing cycles, grace periods, how interest is really calculated, and the 5 rules to use credit cards without ever paying a cent of interest. Let's start with the 3 dates that matter. Every credit card has 3 key dates that repeat every month. The first is the statement closing date. This is the last day of your billing cycle. Whatever you spent during that cycle gets totaled up. That total becomes your statement balance. The second is the statement date, usually 1 day after closing. This is when your statement is sent to you. It shows your statement balance and your minimum payment. The third is the due date, usually 21 to 25 days after the statement date. If you pay your statement balance in full by this date, you pay 0 interest. That gap between the statement date and the due date is called the grace period. It's the most important feature of credit cards, and most people don't know it exists. Here's how the grace period works. If you pay your full statement balance every month, you get up to 25 days of free credit. Every single month, the credit card company is essentially loaning you money for free, as long as you pay in full. But here's the trap. The moment you carry any balance from one month to the next, you lose the grace period entirely. Until you pay it off completely and have at least one full cycle with a 0 balance, you're paying interest on every new purchase from the day you make it. This is why the rule isn't pay before the due date. The rule is pay the full statement balance every single time. Now let's talk about the 2 balances that confuse everyone: statement balance versus current balance. Statement balance is what you owed at the end of your last billing cycle. That's the number you need to pay to avoid interest. Current balance is what you owe right now, including anything you spent since the last statement. If you set up auto pay for current balance, you'll pay more than you need to. If you set it up for statement balance, you'll pay exactly the right amount. For most people, the right setup is auto pay for statement balance on the due date. Set it once and forget it. Now, how is credit card interest actually calculated? Not the way most people think. The APR is the annual rate, but interest isn't calculated annually. It's calculated daily. Here's the math. Take your APR. Let's say it's 24%. Divide by 365 days. That's about 0.066% per day. That's your daily periodic rate. Each day, the credit card company multiplies your average daily balance by that rate. Then at the end of the month, they add up all the daily interest charges. That's what shows up on your statement. This means even small purchases on a high APR card grow interest fast. A $1,500 balance at 24% APR adds about $1 in interest every single day. That's $30 a month just for carrying the balance. And here's why the minimum payment trap is so dangerous. The minimum payment is usually 2% of your balance or $25, whichever is higher. On a $1,500 balance, that's about $30. If you only paid the minimum on that $1,500 balance at 24% APR, it would take you over 8 years to pay off, and you'd pay $1,800 in interest. On a $1,500 purchase, you'd pay over $3,000 total. That's the credit card business model. Minimums keep you paying forever. Here are the 5 rules to use credit cards safely. Rule 1. Pay in full every single time. Not minimums, not partial payments, the full statement balance. Rule 2. Set up auto pay for statement balance. Eliminate human memory from the equation. Rule 3. Treat your credit card like a debit card. Don't put anything on it you can't pay off this month. The credit card isn't extending your budget, it's just a convenient way to pay. Rule 4. Check your statement weekly. Even with auto pay, look for fraud, mistakes, and habits you didn't notice. Rule 5. Keep your utilization under 30%. If your credit limit is $1,000, don't carry more than $300. This protects your credit score and keeps you out of debt. Follow these 5 rules, and credit cards become a tool. Break them, and credit cards become the most expensive way to borrow money in your life. Here's exactly what to do this week. 1. Find your statement date and due date on your card account online. 2. Set up auto pay for the full statement balance on the due date. 3. Check what your current APR is. 4. If you're carrying a balance, make a payoff plan right now. Quick recap. 3 dates matter: statement closing, statement date, due date. The grace period gives you free credit if you pay in full. Statement balance is what you pay, not current balance. Interest is calculated daily on your average balance. Minimum payments are designed to keep you in debt. 5 rules used together mean you never pay a cent of interest. If this helped, subscribe for more straightforward money education and drop a comment with the one credit card thing you wish someone had explained earlier. See you in the next one.